Hi everybody and welcome to Make It Monday. For this week's project, we are doing glow-in-the-dark jars. For this project, you need some clean containers. So, a clean, empty, maybe an old spaghetti jar or a pickle jar. If you don't have that, maybe just a clear plastic cup. Old jelly jars, whatever old jars that you have around. You're going to need some glow-in-the-dark paint, a paintbrush, a paper towel or some newspaper so you don't get your table all messy. You're also going to need a flashlight or UV light. That will charge it at the end. That will give us the really cool glowing effect. So we are using orange because this week is Halloween. Now you can do whatever you want to do to the inside of your jar. I'm going to do polka dots. So you just take the jar and you start making little dots or squiggles. You can really do whatever you want. This is going to be your jar. So as you can see, I'm just making really cool little dots on the inside, like this. Doesn't this look like fun? We are actually going to be giving these out in our Go Packs starting on November 2nd. So if this looks like a lot of fun to you, be sure to come in next week and get your Go Pack. And remember, our Go Packs go pretty quickly, so you want to come in early in the week. We will be giving you all the supplies to make this at home, including a jar and 2 colors of paint, so you'll be able to do that. And you can see as I've been talking, I've just been making dots all over the place. But again, if you don't want to do dots, you can do however you want to decorate this. All right, that looks about finished. Did you get it? And I'm just going to put a couple in the bottom. Okay, you see that? I think that looks good. All right, so when you're finished, I'm just going to put a lid back on this. And you're going to want to let it dry for just a few minutes before we start to charge it. This one we did earlier. So this is where you're going to take your flashlight or your UV light and you're going to just shine it right over this. Can you see that it's starting to glow a little bit? Did you catch that, Ben? Okay. You see it starting to glow? All right, I am going to go hit the lights. That's super cool. What do you think? I would love to know what you think about this project, so let me know on our Instagram page, and be sure to stop in next week and get one for yourself, and then share your great pictures. I'd love to see them. I hope everybody has a great week, and I will be back next week with another fun project. See you soon.